Did you know that joint pain and degeneration aren't just caused by aging, but are also closely linked to what you eat every day? Today, we'll explore 7 delicious foods that are the silent doctors for your bones and joints. We'll also reveal which foods you should limit to keep your joints healthy. Some of these might already be on your plate daily, yet you may not realize their true power. Stay with us until the end of this video so you don't miss out. 1. Dark green vegetables, your natural shield for bones. Many patients ask, what should I eat for strong, healthy joints? And the answer always starts with dark green vegetables like kale Brussels sprouts, broccoli spinach, and mustard greens. These are rich in calcium and vitamin K, which helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis in older adults. 2. Omega-3 rich foods, reducing inflammation and easing pain. Fatty fish such as salmon, herring, mackerel, tuna, sardines, as well as shrimp and crab, are packed with omega-3s. These healthy fats help cool down inflammation inside the joints, relieving pain and improving flexibility. If you take fish oil supplements, consult your doctor to avoid excessive doses that could affect blood clotting. 3. Mushrooms, friends of your joints and immune system. Besides adding great flavor to meals, mushrooms help your body absorb vitamin D essential for preventing rickets and maintaining strong bones. Regular mushroom consumption can also help slow joint degeneration. 4. Bone broth, natural calcium and glucosamine. A warm bowl of soup made from beef or veal bone marrow and cartilage not only comforts you, but also provides glucosamine and chondroitin, the building blocks for cartilage. The high calcium content also supports bone strength. 5. Dairy products, easy to absorb calcium. Yogurt, cheese, and cream are excellent sources of calcium that help prevent osteoporosis. If you're concerned about sugar, choose low sugar or sugar-free options. Calcium from dairy is more easily absorbed than from many other foods, making it a top choice for bone health. 6. Tofu, small but powerful. Few people realize that a serving of tofu contains as much calcium as a glass of milk. Made from soybeans and other nutrient-rich legumes, tofu is an ideal choice for protecting joints while maintaining a light plant-based diet. 7. Anti-inflammatory spices, the secret from your kitchen. Chili peppers, ginger, and black pepper don't just add flavor, they also contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Used regularly in moderation, these spices can help make joint treatments more effective. Foods to limit for joint health. Aside from eating joint-friendly foods, it's equally important to avoid certain foods that can worsen pain and inflammation. Red meats, beef, goat, lamb, can increase joint inflammation, worsening symptoms. Fast food, butter, deep-fried dishes trigger inflammation and blood vessel dilation, intensifying joint pain. Salty foods. Too much sodium reduces calcium absorption and can lead to chronic joint pain. Fatty meats, processed meats, ham, bacon, sausages increase harmful blood lipids and joint inflammation. Alcohol and caffeinated drinks, such as beer, wine, and coffee, which may raise the risk of bone and joint disorders. Caring for your joints isn't just about medication or exercise. It starts with your daily meals. Share this video with your loved ones so you can all eat well, live healthy, and keep your steps strong. Which of these foods do you eat most often? Let us know in the comments.